We've been using the Anchor HDMI switch for a bit now, and this is one of those products that solves a very specific annoyance. The HDMI ports on the back of our big screen TV are hard to reach, and constantly unplugging cables just gets old fast. The switch lets us stop doing that altogether. The way we're using it is super simple. One HDMI cable runs from the switch to the TV, and then we plug two sources into the switch itself. In our case, that's our Amazon Fire device on one port and a cable we use to connect our laptop or other external video source on the other. Out of the box, this thing just works. No setup, no drivers, no troubleshooting. You plug it in, connect your cables, and it's immediately usable, which is honestly what you want from something like this. The 4K at 60 Hz performance is exactly as advertised. The picture looks clean, motion is smooth, and we haven't noticed any lag, flickering, or signal drops while switching between sources. HDR content also displays properly on our TV. One of the things that surprised us is how small it is. It easily fits in the palm of my hand, and it doesn't take up space on the media console. That small footprint makes it easy to tuck away without adding clutter. This definitely feels like one of those set it and forget it accessories. It's reliable, it does exactly what it claims, and it removes a daily frustration without creating new ones. For us, it's been a simple but really useful upgrade.